Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And again, I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa amin. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe please. And also like and share. So today, magluluto si Daddy Mody sa atin ng isang specialty niya. Ito ay ang seafood soup, healthy seafood soup. And this is a very simple as per Mr. Mody. Very simple and easy to do. So, let's start. So, here's our ingredients, guys. This is sea bass. Ano ba yung boneless sea bass? Maybe like two boneless sea bass, right?
But you can use any fish also. It is
But
just
yeah,
fish.
you can use any fish. This one is jumbo shrimp, like 10 pieces. But you can use also any size of shrimp. And then this is squid. And this is the what is this? Mixed seafoods. Then one big onion, red onion. This one is also including scallop. Scallop like 5 pieces kasi medyo mahal siya. So we use just only 5 pieces. Like 1/4 cup of butter. And minced garlic. Also, this one is his favorite. What is this?
Cardamom.
Cardamom. Favorite niya yan. Black pepper or white pepper. Rosemary. Onion powder. And this is salt. So, this one almost like 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon.
That's as per how much you will use. Show them how much you will put in seafood. It's as per but in normal, it is a small teaspoon from each one.
No, 1 teaspoon.
No.
So, iaano nyo na lang guys. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kadami yung lulutuin nyo. So, kayo nang bahalang mag-adjust. Then, this one, we will be using 1 cup of cooking cream. So, let's start. Okay, so what we will do first, Daddy?
We'll put some oil.
Put some oil. We are using canola oil. Wesson canola oil. Little lang para ano. Hindi masunog yung. Yeah, why we put oil, Daddy?
Because oil will let the butter not become black.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, then butter. Let it melt. I think you put not yet. Ano?
That's okay.
Okay, so after the butter melted, what's next? We will put the onion. Okay. Halo-halo mo lang siya. After the onion is already caramelized and become soft, what's next?
We will
put the squid. Yan yung una. Squid muna. You can use any kind of squid, guys. Kasi kung ano lang nakita namin sa market, nung nagpunta kami sa market, then yun lang kinom. Actually, this one is frozen. It will be more tastier if this is fresh. But since that time, walang fresh sa monoprick, so we just get the frozen one. Then after the squid, we will put the jumbo shrimp or any size of shrimp. Yan, halo-halo mo lang siya. Okay? Hindi mo muna ilalagay yung iba, guys, ha. Ito muna, parang ipapakagat mo yung butter para maglasa siyang masarap yung magiging ano niya, lasa. So, after nyan, guys, we will put now our scallop. This one is the scallop. Halo-halo mo lang siya. Only mix.
We will put our...
So, So, after that one, we will put our garlic. Iba talaga yung way niya. Because after butter and oil, we are putting our garlic and then onion or garlic like that. But to you put it late. So, that's Mody style of cooking. Yan. Halo-halo lang guys. Ulit. What?
Because that take time more than fish. Fish, just you put it, almost خلاص done. So we try to
Cook well
yeah,
first the
exactly.
seafoods. Squid, scallop, and shrimp. Yan. All together. But that one is, this one we bought it in Monoprix and it's already brine as what they said, right? Brine seafoods. So what we did, we wash it with water because maybe it will be a little bit salty. So we wash it first. Yan. Nangangamoy na siya guys. Kung naamoy nyo lang yung naamoy ko, magugutom na kayo. Bigla ako nagutom. Actually, pwede naman. I think this is good also for low carb.
Yeah,
because there's no
for the diet is very nice also.
wala tayong ilalagay na iba maliban sa heavy whipping cream or cooking cream. So what's next?
Next we'll put the last one.
The next is the last one is the fish. So you can put here any white fish like there's white fish. I forgot what is that one. Not kingfish, ha?
Any kind of fish, but make it fillet.
Yeah, any kind of fish daw guys. Just make it boneless para naman kasi soup ito para pag inano niya. Para pagka halimbawang hinigop nila, walang pasamang bones, yung tinik. So, we will put one first, the onion powder, and then the salt, and then the rosemary, and pepper.
Pepper should be white for not make the seafood soup black.
Okay. So the pepper should be white daw. It cannot be black pepper. So it should be white pepper para hindi siya kitang-kita. Kasi soup tong gagawin natin, lulutuin natin. So ganyan siya magluto. Laging may cardamom. I don't know what's the magic in cardamom, but maybe you will know when you taste it. Kasi masarap, malasa talaga siya, guys. Pag may cardamom. So this one, we will just let it absorb all the condiments we put. And then after that, we will put the 1 cup of cream. So we will put now the heavy, cooking cream. Tinatansya niya lang yung ano niya. But this is, I think, 1 cup. 1 cup of cooking cream. Yan. And then, what's next? After this, medyo pakuluan lang natin. Not pakuluan. Simmer. Let it simmer for like how many minutes?
It's all will take maximum 12 minutes to 15 minutes.
To finish all the cooking.
Everything.
So maybe let it simmer like for 2 minutes only. 2 minutes. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. So sabi niya matatapos daw lahat to in like 10 to 15 minutes. You will have your seafood soup. Healthy seafood soup to guys. Napakadaling gawin. Kung ano yung mga seafoods na pwede mo makuha.
The color should be white like that. Nothing. Change the color.
Now we are putting the water.
Hot water.
So tatantiyahin nyo lang din kung ilang how many cups of
Don't put too much. It's not about cups. It is about you
will taste it.
Yeah.
Or the consistency is
yes,
not too much
not too much water, not very heavy.
Ayun. So tansya-tansya lang tayo, guys. Kung ano yung wag naman yung masyadong malabnaw, wag din masyadong malapot. So you will just adjust it according to your taste. Basta hindi siya masyadong malapot, hindi siya masyadong malabnaw. That's it?
That's it. Make it.
What?
So we will make it little.
Okay. We will simmer it for like
5 minutes.
5 minutes maximum, and it will be ready.
5 minutes later.
So, this is his favorite, or my favorite portion, the tikiman time. Lalasahan na natin, guys. Let us show. See. Ta-da! Okay. Taste how, what's your, what's your opinion about this thing?
Yeah, you should taste.
This is
please.
very hot.
Turn on, yeah. Not too much hot.
Still hot. I cannot hold this one and be making
Okay.
with you. Very, very tasty, guys. Walang bias to, ha. Napaka-tasty niya.
Thank you, guys.
See you again?
Yes.
Ang sarap. Grabe. Kahit ito lang yung kakainin mo, guys, mabubusog ka na. Ang lasa niya. Considering na ilan lang yung mga nilagay niyang condiments, but very, very tasty and very simple. Very easy to do. Mga ilang minutes lang, siguro mga 10 minutes lang niya ginawa to. Or more than. Ang lasa ng soup niya. Napaka-dali niyang gawin at napaka-tasty. Walang halong biro dahil lang asawa ko siya. No. Try nyo. Kahit na ano, basta gawin nyo lang yung step by step na tinuro niya sa inyo, and then you will say that I'm saying the truth. Okay? So, thank you, guys. Thank you. Is there? Thank you for watching us again, guys. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and keep liking. Thank you. God bless.